Hi everyone, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am on today for a VR to Alicia's challenge, who's Wagman510, and I'll link her video down below. If you're interested, there's still time. It is her Holy Land challenge, and I decided to do something different and something outside of my quote unquote comfort zone. So she gave several options of different things that you can make, and I decided to go with a altered, well, a shaped tag. And if you see the back here, it's a star shape. There's just a lot of layers on this, and I try to do my best to channel my inner shabby chic or shabbiness. I'm not really sure what kind of style this is. I just went a little different from what I'm normally used to. A lot of different layers and different textures. So I just wanted to kind of go over some of the items that I used in this project. So I did bust out my burlap paper. I had bought this such a long time ago, and it's just really burlap paper. So I don't know, when I thought I'd start with this whole shabbiness, I decided to go with something kind of neutral. And my only restriction was that I had no Christmas stuff out. All my seasonal holiday stuff is actually stored away in my basement, and I needed to get through Halloween first. So I decided to just use what's in my stash and do the best that I could with what I had to create a holiday Christmassy vibe. I also used the Distress Oxide Spray, and this is in spun sugar and cracked pistachio. I'm obsessed with this. Channeling my inner mixed media. I also used this Eileen Glitter Snow. This thing is awesome. It dries super fast, and I mean, it's like putting butter onto your project. So this came in handy. And then I also bought this glitter duster a while back, and in here is this Tim Holtz, I forgot the name of this, but it is this really pretty glittery white glitter. And this glitter duster just really does exactly what it says. It dusts the surface, so there's no huge clumps of it, and it's a really subtle finish to it. So let me just bring this tag up. So on the burlap star, if you could see on the edges, I use that snow to give it that kind of like wintry feel. And I'm not sure if you could see on there, but there is that white glitter. So I did glitter the whole top. There's just several layers here. On the bottom, I did also cut another star. I did it out of white cardstock and vellum, and I spritzed the top with a little bit of that distressed oxide spray. So you could see a little bit of that cracked pistachio, and on the bottom you'll see some of that spun sugar. Yeah. I actually even stamped and embossed the star underneath, but you can't see that because there's so many layers on top, and it managed to hide it. On the bottom of it as well, I did add some cheesecloth, which I ended up covering up with all these layers. But it is what I think is a sturdy tag. I did lay the bottom with some glitter paper. I just like to have things finished, and since this is going out as an entry, I just wanted to make it as pretty as possible. So I did lay another layer of pearls, and I don't know, for some reason when I think shabby, I think pearls. So I did lay a little kind of S shape on the tag. I have this Happy Holidays, and it is in this really pretty kind of like shimmery white paper. I did layer up with foam. I have this little wood piece here, which I dry painted with white paint because I still wanted to have that wood look. And while it was still wet, I did spray it with that glitter duster, so you could see small shimmers of white glitter on there. I did cut out this wreath in a white glitter foam, just to give it a little more whimsy. And then I just added this really pretty white, I don't know what kind of fabric this is, but flower up top just to give it a little bit of a more, I don't know, just to finish the side. And I really love that how this came out. I'm not sure if this qualifies for a shabby chic, shabby anything, but yeah, it's great. I love it. So that is my entry to Alicia's challenge. Go check out her video. She is an amazing crafter and she keeps this community so much fun. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.